Hey, it's Ice HTV, and does the phone work today?
Where is the washcloth?
Right over there. Look, got a ton of stuff over there. All right, got the kid on cleaning the grandmother's car. And what am I doing? Hey, this Indian Scout. I think we're gonna put some crash bars on this. So it's a how-to video on how to put crash bars on your Indian Scout. This is a 2021 model. And follow me along as I show you how to do it. Don't think it's that complicated, but yeah, famous last words, right?
Literally, every time.
So anyway, so here it is. Here's the parts. Let me take it apart and let me show you what I'm gonna do. One thing about Indian, they sure do a good job packaging material. They go the extra mile. So here's the thing. I don't think things that complicated to do. If you read the instructions, I think you'll figure it out. But if you want to watch me, that's fine too. There's the kid out here does her good deed for her grandmother's Cadillac. All right, pretty simple. Instructions tell you need a 6mm and a 8mm hex socket. Here's my number 6. Got my number 8 already on here. Just these 2 bolts, one bolt there, one hidden up in there. Just unscrew it. This whole assembly here will just come off. All right, so I just got this off. Okay, pretty simple. Here's your original screws, and they're gonna have you replace it with a little longer screw because you're gonna have a little bracket underneath there. So set those aside. Don't get them confused with your new ones. All right, now I get a little rubber grommet. That actually goes in that big hole right there. Okay. All right, pretty simple procedure. See this hole there? There's a little hole there to put a screw in. So it's real simple. I mean, you literally just take this here, kind of line up that hole there up top and down below here. See here? I'm gonna try and do it with one hand. It's not easy, but I'll show you. See that? So that's kind of how it's gonna look right here. See that? Pretty simple, man. Nice. You can put some highway pegs on this thing, I guess, now. All right, little trick. Getting this bolt in here in the back, your hands. I mean, you really got to know how to do this. So what I did is I just put the old bolts in here and just line this up. So I would definitely just use these to help line this up to get this threaded and started. Because once you drop that bolt down here, it's going to be a fiasco trying to find that thing. Wowsker, looky here. So, it's not that hard. Here's a little trick for you. To get to this bolt, you need to go to the other side of the bike. So, I took my gun and you put it up in here to reach over there to get to that bolt over there. See, it's over there. So use your extension going through this area to tighten that down. Otherwise, I don't know how you're gonna tighten that. That'd be very difficult. All right, so now to the left side. All right, same thing. You're gonna take off these 2 Allen head style bolts. This will just drop down, and then we'll be able to slide this thing up in here. So follow me along. Really simple. This whole assembly just lays on the ground. You're not going to do any damage. Right. All right, pretty cool. This side here is a lot more room to get that on. That was really simple. See, I just put the old screws in, just get things lined up to get this all secured. Wow, that went really quick. This is so much easier to get to. So like I said, come from this side to use your extension, go to the other one over there. See that over there? You can just a lot easier. And this side here, you can work right to this side and tighten it down. How about that? Wowsker! Hey, we got it done. So if anybody out there wants to see how to put on your crash bars on your Indian Scout 60 bobber, whatever it may be, you're gonna really be happy on how easy this is. It really is. I just showed you how to do it. I just think it's a great safety feature, being that if anybody ever drops their bike, the worst is, as you know, you dent your gas tank and it's fight the phone. But hey, hope you all learned something today for your Indian Scout, and this helped you install your crash bars. Thanks for watching Ice Age TV.